you.
Gesundheit.
What are you doing?
Just dealing with these spices
Oh, like all over your kitchen cupboards and drawer spices?
everywhere.
Everywhere is right. So let's corral that mess. So if you don't have pull-out drawers, the simple solution is let's create one.
Oh.
Grab a bin. They come in various different sizes. All those loose spices in containers, you can place them in the bin, or the spice bags and containers like you have in your hand. We place them all in the bin, and all you have to do is to pull the whole bin out, nice and organized, all contained.
That is amazing.
Want to get started?
Yes, please.
Let's do it.
Okay, now, well, which one does this say?